So this here is the brand new Peak Design 7-litre Sling, part of their new range they've just launched this year of new outdoor backpacks and cases. I've got a bunch of items here that I'm keen to see how much I can fit in this, what this bag could be useful for, and if it's something that I will continue to use. It's kind of random, but let's see what it's all about. So when you first unbox it, of course, you've got the sling part of it, you've got all the bells and whistles and the tags. It also comes with these, I guess, tie downs. I guess you can strap it on like here, and you can kind of strap it down onto like this, maybe, or I don't know, where would this one go? That's a good question. Anyway, it comes with this thing. I suppose you can clip it onto here and maybe hang stuff off it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this is great. This looks pretty comfortable. This looks like relatively easy to sort of tighten and loosen. It's that same sort of like seatbelt material that they're rolling through all of the new stuff this year. We're seeing the same kind of material in the everyday backpack as well. Pretty cool, and I like how easy it is to use. I really like these clips. And these clips are like awesome. They're just so easy, snap. Like, I love that. Like, you could put this like around your waist. You could put this like around your shoulder. I like how like these look like they sort of like come off. They kind of make the bag a bit bigger, maybe giving you a little bit more space. There's so many pockets as well. So you've got like a pocket in here, 3 pockets there, big pocket here, another 3 pockets in here, your main pocket. Like this one zips up, that's pretty cool. Completely waterproof, so they're using that same like tent waterproof like material that they've used with the rest of their new range. Front pocket here, pretty good. Oh, that's got a wee string inside of it so you can chuck your keys on there. Nice, handy if you're out and about, maybe you're going running. Oh, let's have a look. Let's see if this thing actually fits. So let's see, you just got it, put it on, and you kind of like a fanny pack. I guess it clips on, tighten. Oh yeah, I guess you can tighten this one too, I suppose. Is that easy to tighten? Oh yeah, it's pretty easy to tighten. Probably wouldn't want to tighten this one too much. It's a bit of a different clip to the other one. Look at that. Not bad, pretty good. Loosens up all good. I guess you can wear it like a shoulder strap. That's pretty good. I like that. Zip. Yeah, cool. There's like multiple different ways you can wear this. Okay, now the real test is how much can I actually fit in this? Is this like a camera bag? Is this just like a day pack? Like, what can I actually do with this? Let's see how much we can actually fit in. So first things first, like a camera body. Let's get a camera body in there. I mean, that's pretty nice. Like, say you want to take like another lens. Do these lenses fit in here? Like, I guess they sort of fit in these pockets. It's not fully there, but I guess that kind of works. Another lens. Oh, that lens fits in really nice. That lens fits in really nice. So you got 1, 2, 3 lenses, you got that. A couple of batteries. Like these batteries, maybe they could come into like this pocket here. Chuck them in there, nice. Like your keys, maybe your keys, that's where you chuck your keys in the front. You attach it to that wee like power cord. Pretty cool. Lens cap, whatever. Your phone, if you really need your phone, you could probably just kind of like chuck that in there sort of like lazily. And then what, you'd zip this up. That's awesome. Oh, it comes with the handle here. I just did that without even knowing I did that. So that's cool that you can just grab it like this. And then what does this feel like when we've actually got it on? Yeah, I mean, that's Awesome, this is comfortable. Like everything's like right here. I suppose I could like open this up, like, you know, pull my camera out like this. Maybe I want to change lens, flip that off, put that in the bag. Nice. Back into the bag. Is that even, yeah, it's actually pretty good. That's awesome. So you want to wear it like a fanny pack and just, what do you do, just tighten? How do you tighten this? Oh, you tighten it here. So easy to tighten. It does like hang down a little bit, but like, I mean, it's pretty good. Kind of got this loose strap here, but I'm sure you could like tuck this in. A couple of loose straps, but nothing too bad. I feel like a dad. This is kind of like dad energy. You could either wear it as a sling or you could wear it around your waist. Kind of holds pretty good. Doesn't jiggle too much. Clip still on there. Pretty good. Oh, that's shaking this around. Hey, that's pretty good. And then it just unclips like this. Ooh. So like, yeah, it's pretty awesome. I mean, it's really spacious. It's really comfortable. I like its ergonomic. I like that you can actually fit like quite a lot of kit in here if you really needed to. Like my phone, a couple of lenses, some batteries, like the camera itself. Like that's pretty good. Like that's really, really good. And it's a really just like easy, like clipping system as well. What's going on here? Oh, okay, there we go. So like, look, I feel like the uses for this would be, yeah, like this would be a great way just like day pack, or if you've just got like just a quick like event shoot. Like if you got like if you need to go to an event for a couple of hours and you just want to take like a body and a couple of lenses, like this would be really awesome. I guess if you were in the market for like just a sling kind of like camera case, then this would be a really good like alternative to that, because it does give you a few more uses than just a like standard camera case. I did have a look at the 4 litre, and the 4 litre is significantly smaller than this. Like you'd barely fit a camera even in a 4 litre. 4 litre would almost just be a bit more of like purely like a travel kind of pack, something you just put your passport in, some foreign currency, and like your phone and maybe a power bank. But besides that, I'd struggle to see how you'd use it for in a camera sense. But like this could definitely be used for some day excursions with a little bit of camera kit. Like, yeah, I definitely think it's got some good function to it. Definitely got some good function to it. It's well built. It's obviously waterproof, and it's really easy to use. And I like how streamlined and easy it is to pull these like tightening belts. Like, yeah, it's a really great piece of kit. Really great piece of kit. Anyway, that kind of wraps up this review on the Peak Design 7 litre sling. I'll drop a link below with a little bit more information if you want to have a look into it yourself. But besides that, see you on the next one. Peace out.